Ho, ho, ho.
Santa? Santa? Hello?
Too bad, little one. What?
Gordon? Gordon? Wake up, wake up. Gordon. Wake up. Gordon. I thought Santa. Huh? Tata? Yeah. Santa, he's gone. We got a bandit trap. Connor. We gotta go wake up Connor. That's right. Come on, Dalton. Diddy. Wait up. I'm coming. Ah! Oof. Stick to the plan, Colton. Ah! Whoa. Ah! Colton, help. Ooh. Sorry. Oh. Don't squish them, Widow. You wait out there. I'll wake up Connor. Okay. You got it? Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Oof. Okay, I down. Okay, I'll meet you over there. Okay. Connor. Connor, I saw Santa. Come on, Connor. Wake up. Mommy? No. Ava, I saw Santa. Now come here. Yeah, I know you're tired, but come on. You're heavy. Gordon? Yeah? Get the seat for Connor to fall on. Okay. Did it. Okay, now way over there. Okay. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna drop you now. Ready? And... You okay? I'm assuming that's a yes. Now my turn. Gotta sit down. Okay. Now, how do I do this? Oh, I know. Okay. Now, move. Move. I got this. I'm almost down. And I did it. Yay. Now, Connor. Now, lay down. Kitty. Now, lay down. Jackson, move. We gotta get Santa. Move. Thank you. Oh no, he's coming. He must have forgot something. Get to bed, get to bed. I'm in bed. Colton, help Connor. Right now, hurry. Okay. You're heavy, Connor. Pretend to sleep, okay? Shh. That's right.
Oops, I better pick those up.
You guys stay sleeping while I play dead. Shh. Help, I can't breathe.
Oh no, dear. Are you okay?
Come here. I need a Santa hug.
Of course, dear.
Got him! Colton, help! Jump on him. Ah! Bad Santa. You forgot something you're gonna pay. You're on Connor. What? My baby brother. Colton, put the light on. Okay. I need to get a better look. It's hard. I'm too short.
Okay, good. Whoa, get me out of here!
Colton, you stay here. I go get Connor to bed. Okay, go sit on him. Okay. Ah! Oh, heavy Connor. Oh. I'm sorry, I gotta throw you. No, you don't know what's going on, but you have to sleep. Okay. Tape him up, tape him up. Tie it. Okay. Keep going. Get in there, don't move or else I'll call my parents. Mercedes. Or my mom. Colton, you sit on him and make sure he doesn't get out. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Can I get up now? Please? Never. Not till we figure out where he comes from, and I don't know what else, but that's all I need to know right now. Oh, and how you make presents come alive, and you're out, so we want to see one. Get off of him, Colton. Okay. You promise to stay put?
Yes!
Bring in an elf, a big fat one. Unlike you, we're supposed to be fat and have a long beard. You only have a mustache and you're pretty skinny for your age. Not seeing any elves?
Lars, get in here. Lars!
Hello!
Santa! Lars, come here!
Okay. Ha! You're heavy and fat.
Get off her.
Now, tell me how you make presents and we'll release you. Yeah, tell us now. Santa, Saint Nick, whatever else they call you. Sit up and tell us. We're ready and we're waiting. Sitting like good children because we deserve presents, Santa. Now speak.
Well, of course my elves make the presents.
Yeah. Well, that's all we had for you. We just wanted to get you caught on tape, and you have it on caught on tape, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we have to release you now. Thank you for your time, Santa.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now we need a hug and all the babies too.
Fine. That's what I like best, because I'm Santa Claus. Lars, you may leave.
Okay. Ah! Cat!
Lars, you silly goof.
Liam stayed awake the whole time. And Emma. Weird. There's a will anyway. We can, let's take your tape off if we know how.
What?
I mean, not that hard, right?
You kids better get to bed.
I know. At least our parents and Mom, don't know, I guess. I think. Maybe they're just pretending that they... I don't know. People say Santa's not real, but I still believe no matter what.
And what time are you guys supposed to be in bed?
Well, it's 8 o'clock, but on Christmas Eve, Mom said that we can go to bed at 10.
But it's 11:18, and yeah, that's way above your bedtime, even in Christmas Eve.
I know. We know, but sometimes we don't listen, you know.
Then you kids should be on the naughty list.
No. We need hugs, or else we'll never release you. Now bring on the hugs. Bye, Santa. We might miss you, we might not.
Colton, come here.
Bye, Santa. I'll miss you.
Goodbye, Colton.
My sister is annoying, but sorry.
Yes, she is.
Come on, Colton. Let's go to bed. You don't have to worry about Connor, Santa. He's sleeping. Fell asleep on Colton, and Colton fell asleep already.
Oh. Come here, Emma. Why, hey, Liam.
Alright, he's grumpy. I'm trying to fall asleep here, so if you don't mind, goodbye. Good night, Santa. Turn the light off while you're at it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Don't forget to shut the light off.
Oh, yeah.
Leave the closet one on.
Good night, my beloved kids. And a Merry Christmas.
Coming from Colton McKay, aka Public Time, he has to say.
I have to say, I hope you guys enjoyed our the late Christmas special. And remember to subscribe, of course, like, and post notifications. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day, and a great new year. See ya.
Okay, guys, so it's Baby's Garden, so, aka Mercy, okay? So, I really hope you guys enjoyed our Christmas special. The people who were the main characters were, who's the guy? Santa?
Pops.
Pops was Santa, and then Connor was the 1-year-old, and then Colton, my doll, was supposed to play a 2-year-old, and then Ava was supposed to play a 4-year-old, and then some other people, but that wasn't really, they weren't really main.
Yeah.
If you guys have any comments, comment down below. I'm gonna comment down below what your favorite part was, and I hope you guys have a happy New Year. And remember to turn the notification bell on. When we get to 200 subscribers, we'll do another Reborn giveaway. And turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss a shout out. And you might get a shout out. You never know. Okay, thank you guys so much. Bye. Bye.
Peace.